Are you looking to deepen the connection with your partner? Here are some tips on how to make a man want you more. Embrace your strengths and be proud of who you are. This will naturally draw your partner closer to you. Maintaining your independence is key. Pursue your own interests and goals, and give your partner the space to do the same. This will keep the relationship balanced and healthy. Show genuine interest in your partner's life. Positivity and a sense of fun are infectious. Bring joy and laughter into the relationship and create happy memories together. Be a source of support for your partner. Always encourage, offer a listening ear, and be there for them during challenging times. Create shared experiences and memories. Whether it's trying new activities or traveling together, open and honest communication is vital. Express your thoughts and feelings openly. Respect your partner's boundaries. Understanding and honoring their personal space will build trust and mutual respect. A touch of mystery can be intriguing. Maintain some level of mystery to keep the spark alive in the relationship. By incorporating these tips into your relationship, you can deepen the connection and make your partner want you more.